So now this will be my inlet, and also I will have this pipe which I have to connect on it. I connect this pipe to this pipeline so that it will supply my sprinkler head. I have to stop or to plug this side. It will be using for the extension if it is needed. This is a plug. So I have to close this one. Currently, I don't need this one. It will be used for the next purpose if they want to extend the pipework. Going to reduce my pipe. Okay, I need this nipple, which will help me to connect the pump to the system. I apply the new seal tape to avoid any leakage in the system. So now I connect my pump to test my sprinkler head. So now I'm about to finish my system. So I'm going to fill water into this pipeline. Now my pipe is full. I have to tighten it. So now it is fixed well. I'm going to press this pump so that I may increase the water pressure in this pipe. Okay, in this system, this type of sprinkler head, it's going to break on 68 degrees of temperature. Now, here I have to apply the normal hazard. It has 2.2 bars. Now here it is 2.2 bars. Now I'm going to apply fire. It's going to break this sprinkler head. I have to remove this cover as I have already installed the head. Okay. Here I'm going to apply fire and it will burst. This is a fire, the source of heat. I'm going to apply it on my sprinkler head. When it breaks, it means that the temperature will be reaching the 68 degrees of temperature. So at this time, when water is enough, this water will come from here and be displayed, and this one will display around and around. So this is the end of my session, practical part. Thank you very much. This session of sprinkler system installation, it will help to fight against fire when the houses or any apartment has got fired. So to install the system, you have to follow some measures and recommendations. It is recommended that when we are going to install the sprinkler system, the minimum size of pipe we are going to use will be 1 inch of the pipe. And also, you are going to select your sprinkler system or head according to the materials or apartment you are going to save against that fire. This one it's used. This one it's used for the apartments, schools, hospitals, as it is indicated in this color. This color shows that this is the lowest temperature it may be done for the sprinkler system. There's also other kind of sprinkler system which have black color, which may be broken at 302 temperature. So now, to conclude, this will help you to save your fittings, your goods from fire. Thank you very much for your attention.